Welcome back to the channel, all you Zontes maniacs. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's dive into this video. Alright folks, today we're diving into two of the most overlooked but absolutely crucial components on your Zontes 350, the Variator filter and the air filter. If you want your scooter to run like a dream and not wheeze like a pensioner climbing stairs, stick around. Let's start with the Variator filter. This little mesh marvel sits inside your CVT system, quietly catching dust, grime, and road debris before it can mess with your transmission. Ignore it, and you're looking at sluggish acceleration, overheating, and premature belt wear. It's like trying to sprint with a sock full of sand in your shoe. Pointless and painful. A clean Variator filter means better airflow, cooler temps, and smoother gear transitions. It's a 10-minute job that can save you hours of head-scratching later. Now let's talk air filter. Your engine breathes through this, and if it's clogged, you're choking performance. Less power, more fuel burn, and a higher chance of carbon build-up on your spark plug, valves, and piston face. It's like trying to run a marathon with a face mask soaked in mud. Swapping it out is simple. Follow the video guide. All Zontes dealers stock the parts, and the payoff is huge. Better throttle response, cleaner combustion, and longer engine life. Plus, your scooter will sound crisp instead of coughing through traffic. So, why pay a garage the cost of parts and labor to do a job you can confidently do yourself? So if you haven't checked your filters lately, now's the time. Your Zontes 350 deserves to breathe easy and run clean. Hit that like button if you found this useful, and subscribe for more tech tips, mods, and scooter shenanigans. Ride smart, wrench smarter. While I have your attention on this video, our Zontes channel has over 2,000 videos on how to maintain, strip down and look after your Zontes motorbike or scooter, subtitled in English, French, Spanish and Chinese, on all the Zontes models. So please take a look on my channel homepage where all the bikes are in different playlists.
coming for the throne.